Are you raising your children for your past or for the world they will live in tomorrow? Are you preparing them for the life you know or for a life full of challenges you cannot yet imagine? The timeless wisdom of Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib echoes across centuries. Do not raise your children the way your parents raised you, for they were created for a time different from yours. This is not just advice, it is a warning, a guiding light, and a call to awaken the hearts of every parent. The crisis of our time. Today's children are different. They are growing up in a world where truth is questioned at every turn. Faith is challenged by whispers of doubt. Identity is lost in the chaos of culture and social media. They laugh but feel empty. They are surrounded yet profoundly alone. If we fail to guide them, the world will quietly shape their hearts, and we may lose them before we even notice. The parenting mistake. We often say, "Don't do this, don't watch that," but we forget to teach them why some paths are harmful, why some choices lead to emptiness. We try to control their actions instead of nurturing their hearts and minds, and that is where we fail. The power of intellect. Imam Jafar al-Sadiq said, "One who has no intellect has no religion. Faith without understanding is fragile. Faith built with reasoning, with love, and with clarity, that faith stands firm even when storms come." Teach your children to think, to question, to seek understanding, because a child who understands will choose the path of truth even when no one is watching. The heart is a garden. Imam Ali A.S. said, "The heart of a child is like empty land. Whatever you plant in it will grow." So ask yourself, what seeds are you planting? Faith or doubt? Courage or fear? Purpose or emptiness? Your home is their first world. Your home is more than walls and furniture. It is where the heart learns, where faith is nurtured, where character is born. If your home echoes with prayer, love, and the remembrance of Ahlul Bayt, then your child will carry that nur into every dark corner of the world. The moment of truth. One day, your child will stand alone. No parents, no guidance, just a choice. Between right and wrong, between light and darkness, between truth and falsehood. And in that moment, your tarbiyat, or upbringing, will speak louder than words. Final reflection. You will not always be there, but your love, your guidance, your lessons will remain. Raise them not just to succeed in this world, raise them to stand firm in any world. Raise them in a way that even when the world changes, they never lose their faith, they never lose their honor, and they never lose their way back to Allah.